Om Jnanatimidandhasya Jnanam Jana Shalakaya Chakshuram Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
The karma, right, which you've done in the past lives. That's how Bhagavad Gita describes, right? So we take birth in a particular body in the next life.
Yeah.
Now, given having been put in that situation, right, especially in a human body where the karmic, the material energy of Krishna, right, the illusory energy of Krishna is very strongly acting on a jiva, on a spirit soul.
In every species of life.
Yes, I'm especially talking about human beings because human beings can realize the Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Yeah, but in every species of life.
Yeah, the illusory energy is acting. So the question which I have is, for a spirit soul whose karma has been very, who has been involved in material karma and who has not done any sukriti type of thing in his past life, right? How does he get out of this entanglement, strong entanglement of material?
Generally they don't. Those who get out of material entanglement, it means those who have done some sukriti. Generally that's the situation. Yesham Tanjagatam Papam Jananam Punya Karmanam Tejam Ramohanya Mukta Bhajante Mandiyogatana. Those who have performed pious activities, Krishna says, and who are free from illusion, they take to bhakti very strongly. So whereas those who are very sinful, Tanaham Dushitakruram Samsareshu Naradanam Jnana Yasanashana. Where is that? But those who are very sinful, they go to lower species. By Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, even very simple people can get uplifted.
So when you say pious activities, what are pious activities?
Well, there are various grades of pious activities. The general pious activities are just for material results, but there are pious activities in relationship to bhakti also. For instance, hearing the Bhagavatam, that's pious. Shinyatam Swakata Krishna, Punya Shravana Kirtanaha. To hear the Bhagavatam, or to chant the Bhagavatam, is in itself pious. So that's a piety that has connection with bhakti. There's also what's called agyata sukriti. Just like some prasad may have fallen on the road and a dog may eat it. For the dog it's food, but he gets the bhakti mukhi sukriti. He gets sukriti which is conducive to bhakti.
So is the free will also under the influence of the three modes of material nature?
We have free will and we are influenced. But free will means we have some freedom also. Generally the free will comes into play more when one is in the sattva gun, because in sattva gun there's knowledge and discrimination. In the lower modes of nature there's not much thinking. One is just driven by the lower mode. So when one comes to sattva gun, then he starts to see things as they are. So
when you say sattva gun, that is the material mode of goodness, right? Or you're talking about Visuddha Sattva?
No.
So you're talking about material.
Sattvam sanjayate jnanam. Knowledge begins in sattva gun. But one can also be attached to sattva gun.
So if one does some pious activities like the charity, the material charity which people give, or building a hospital or something like that, right? Or feeding the poor or something.
Yeah, that's not conducive to liberation, but that may generate some agyata sukriti also. For instance, if you dig a well so that people take water or you arrange for giving water to people in the summer to drink, and the Vaishnava comes and drinks them. then you get benefit. Or if you plant trees so people going on the road can get shade, and a Vaishnava comes along, then you get the benefit of serving a Vaishnava, even unknown to yourself. So material pious activities can render a genuinely spiritual influence also.
But material pious activity, one does material pious activities that by the law of karma, that would mean that in the next lives or subsequent lives he will get birth in a well-to-do family or rich family, whatever. Right?
Maybe if one does pious activities, generally it's hoped that they'll take birth in a well-to-do or rich family.
Right. So isn't that
generally that's the hope.
Yeah, generally that's. So isn't that material entanglement again?
Yeah, sure, it's material entanglement.
So when Bhagavad Gita or Srimad Bhagavatam mentions about pious activities,
we have to understand it in context.
Okay.
Everything has to be understood.
So it is basically spiritual pious activities.
Bhakti and Mukhi Sukriti. Those activities which are conducive to Bhakti.
In that shloka, Dhananam Punyakaranam. So that pious activity is Sevamukha Bhakti.
Yeah, well that specifically means people who perform pious activities in relation to Bhakti. I'm not going to speak very long because it's time to take rest.
Like, if I think like what I have done in my past life, so my entanglement is so much. So because of that I am in certain situation. If I think like that, then what is the way out? Like every time...
You tell. If someone asks you the question, what will you say? You should know the answer to this. Why are you asking this? What's the answer?
Answer is again, how can you conclude that you have so and so karma, so and so whatever? Ultimately,
tell the answer. What's the answer?
Yeah, what is procedure follow, waiting follow, you surrender to Krishna.
Anyone?
Surrender to Krishna and
go. Say this slow.
Sarva dharma it
doesn't matter what we've done. Surrender to Krishna and Krishna takes care. That's the answer. Yeah.
Question. Krishna knows past, present and future. But how does free will have an...
Krishna knows past, present and future, but he can change his mind also. He's also a person. It's not that everything is just a drafted script which Krishna is bound to follow. You can change your mind also. You are individuals. Okay, I'm going to take rest now, don't mind. They can change my mind. That's why I asked if anyone wanted to speak to me, if you come earlier. Yeah, what's that?
For our karmas, if you are already punished in Yamaloka and Swarga.
So I couldn't understand.
For our karmic reactions, if you are punished in Yamaloka already.
Punished what?
Punished in Yamaloka.
In Yamaloka.
Why are you taking birth? Why should you take birth again?
Oh, you get some measure in Yamaloka and then you come up here and get some more.
So you will not be completely punished there. Is it like that?
Yeah. It goes on. As long as we don't surrender to Krishna, then we're making more simple reactions at every moment. So better surrender to Krishna. If you all have Bhagavad Gita as it is, you all have that book? You all reading that?
Yeah, it's read it many times.
Is it? These questions come up again and again. Well, it's not just you. It's even the Paul Kumaras have the same question. You can read about that.
These questions...
in the 11th canto of Bhagavatam, it was the question, same question, but they asked, he said that we're so entangled in material life, and the samskars are there, and how can we get, it seems impossible to get out of it. Even they, being big gyanis, they have to know about that. And then the Lord told him the same thing. You come out by the mercy of the Lord. Yeah, so read the books, and you should, it's good also to hear regularly, understand these points. It's actually very simple. We become, there's so many samskars, and then from that comes vritti and vasana, and then you have to see. Mamekam sharanam vraja. You have to have faith in this. Krishna can change it all. Elsewhere in Bhagavad Gita, Narupa nasyeha tato paraviti nanto nachadya nacha sampadishya ashvatamena sudirudhamulam asanga shastrena vihema chitva. That's the name. It's like a big tree of material life. It's extremely complex. Cut it. Just cut it. Otherwise, if you try to sort it out, like that, there's that story of Augustine. There was some very complex knot. Not Augustine. Alexander. Augustine was a Christian. He messed up the whole of Christianity with his stupid philosophy. He was already pretty messed up. He made it a lot worse. So, it's a very complex knot, and it was said that anyone who can open this knot, they will be the king of the world. So he would just come and he would try and until he get more and more entangled. So he came, he was just a boy, and took his sword and cut it. He became a great king. So that's it. Instead of, it's so complex, this question, that question, how to do it, this, that, just take shelter of Krishna, problem solved. You don't have to go on all your life wondering this, that, and the other. Just chant Hare Krishna, take shelter of Krishna, problem solved. Hare Krishna. I remember on Hare Rama and distributed books, I was just thinking, it's a really strange thing. Anyway, I went back next year and they were going Hare Rama and distributing books. The thing is, we have to serve the mission, and then relationships follow. It's putting the cart before the horse to think we have to have good relationships, and then we'll go and then we'll do everything else afterward. Better to fight a bit and do the service. And there will be. If we're doing service, there will be some disagreement, this and that. But the point is the service should go on. Yeah. So it's good you're asking for service. Go with these devotees for book distribution.
Yes.
My intention is that is putting person in association. And when we are in association,
everything follows service.
So that's my, once we like somebody or there is some relation with Vaishnavas, we like to associate them, and then there will be creation of service.
It goes on the other way, isn't it? I mean, how can you like someone unless you associate with them?
Yeah. That association only I am telling. Like when his wife comes, he will stop attending programs and all. So he will be away from association, and there is no chance of services.
Anyway, just go out on book distribution. Don't make it too complex.
So, book distribution.
Yes, that's what.
Yeah.
We do sometimes.
Oh, you don't need to get the CDs because automatically they're coming to you. Whatever new ones are coming, I ask them to send you.
Right.
There's a standing order. Yeah, if you don't mind, I should take some, yes. I've actually
should I give it to you? Or?
Oh yeah, you can give it to them.
To whom I should be making?